Yesterday we went to get a SIM card. We went with Globe. 40 pesos for the SIM card, 100 pesos load. Yeah. It's good, at least we have a number here. It's just more easy basically. So yeah, today what we have planned today, we're gonna go to check for motorcycle because I want to get one soon. So I need to check for my license because we didn't have time yesterday, and we're gonna go to Motortrade, I think. So yeah.
Chakurado mo. Chakurado.
Joey, window 7 Joey.
Suzuki, Motortrade, Honda, yun ang techno.
LTO today. I cannot get my license now, obviously, because I need to be 1 month in the Philippines, so I need to come back. But with my French license, I can drive for 3 months. I also need to get a translation of my French license to English, get an international license. And yeah, it's good. I can actually drive for 3 months in the Philippines with my French license, so it's good. And once I get a job, I will go and buy a motorcycle. I went today to the Motortrade to check. So yeah, I'll leave you here and we'll see.
Video.
I think it's gonna rain soon. I'm going for a run. With all that wise, I just need to exercise, otherwise I'm gonna get fat. Quick. So the cost of, oh for fuck's sake, man, I need to wait. My wife told me the only thing to be careful is the dog. How are you? The cost of coming here, it was 100 pesos for me, for myself. My wife was a bit cheaper, but so out of the 100,000 pesos, I got 50,000 pesos just from my visa already, including my ACA card. The box, when you send the box, we actually spent 200, almost 200 pounds. It was 3 box for 100 pounds, and then 75 for a large box. Then my ticket to come here was 550 pounds, I think, which is roughly around everything 100,000 pesos. Getting a house here, we didn't have to get a house or get a car or anything. So for now we're good for that. And yeah, I don't think we're even gonna get a car, to be honest. I will get a motorcycle. And yeah, we'll see. We will wait, you know. We have time. Just getting there slowly. Alright, go back to one. Fuck, there's so many dogs out here. Cloudy today, tonight. Start to rain now. Doing a bit of editing now. I went to deliver water, but this time on the motorcycle. So I'm gonna make a video out of that. Yeah, everything is good. My body is so painful after running. I really need to go back to gym and exercise because I've been waiting for a month now. Tomorrow we're going to Bonifacio, to the fort, so I have things to do there. We are also gonna visit it there and have a look tourist thing basically, which is good. Friday we're going on Viking because it's my birthday. I'm turning 31 on Friday. Fuck's sake. 2 days to go. Time goes really fast. That's why you know, that's every time at the birthday, that's where you realize time goes really fast. 3 years ago we came here. I didn't know I'm gonna come to the Philippines, and we're already here, which is great. So yeah, catch up tomorrow. Bye.